Hey friends, we're really excited today.
Today, we are talking about a champion, and her secret to be the champion. Yes, Simone Biles it is. And, if you happen to be really ignorant enough to not know about Simone Biles. Simone Biles is the most decorated gymnast in the history of athletics. She stands out far, with 32 Olympic and World Championship medals to her name. Plus, she is also the first gymnast to win 5 world all-around titles. And, very recently, she made a triumphant return to elite competition at the US Classic, where she won the all-around title. And this is her first all-around title since the 2019 World Championships. Well, that's an incredible career as an athlete. And as a nutritional health and fitness expert, I can tell you with authority. None of this would be possible for the great American champion without having a healthy diet regime. And today, we are going to reveal the secret diet of the champion for you. Let's step into it. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. Well friends, you might be surprised to know. Simone Biles does not follow a specific diet plan. Neither a keto diet, nor a Mediterranean one. In a recent interview, when asked about her diet, Simone told, she eats a variety of foods that are rich in protein, fiber, and nutrients. She also makes sure to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Now, how would you classify this champion diet? A keto diet, a Mediterranean diet plan, or what? Well, her diet can be classified as an intuitive eating diet. Yes, intuitive eating is a non-diet approach to eating. It primarily focuses on listening to your body's hunger and fullness cues. It also emphasizes eating a variety of foods and not restricting yourself from any food groups. Interestingly, Simone Biles does not count calories or track her food intake. She simply eats what she feels good with, and makes sure to get enough protein, fiber, and nutrients. She also allows herself to indulge in her favorite foods, such as pizza and pasta, without feeling guilty. Now, how does all of this fit into a champion's lifestyle? We'll soon find out. As far as her daily meals are concerned, let's have a look at that. In breakfast, Simone loves to go with oatmeal with fruit and nuts. Eggs with toast or avocado, and yogurt with granola and fruits are her other preferred choices for breakfast meals. And all these recipes are well equipped with the necessary nutrition to kickstart her energetic day. Now, talking about her lunch meals. Salad with grilled chicken or fish are her go-to options. Apart from that, she also likes to have soup and sandwich in lunch meals. And when she is on the travel, she opts for some protein bar or a nice shake. These recipes provide Simone with the necessary levels of proteins, carbs, and the other required minerals for the strength and energy she needs for her performance. And, for the dinner, pizza or pasta with vegetables are her favorite recipes to have. Pizza and pasta can be healthy choices if they are made with whole wheat crust and topped with healthy ingredients, such as vegetables, lean protein, and low-fat cheese. Other dinner choices include stirred-fry vegetables, and chicken or fish with rice or quinoa serving. For the mid-meal snacks, Simone goes for fruits, nuts, and hard-boiled eggs, all depending on her mood. As you can see, Simone Biles' diet is rich in nutrient-dense foods that provide her with the energy she needs to fuel her workouts and recover from injuries. It is also a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups. This makes it a healthy and sustainable way of eating that she can stick to long term. Now, it can be termed as a custom Mediterranean diet, tailored to her taste and needs. And, what do you think about this diet? Suggest a catchy name for this diet in the comments below. Subscribe now, and be a proud part of the Shape Squad. Hit the like button if you found Simone Biles' diet plan cool. We'll be back soon with another great video to help you in your fitness and wellness journey. See you later.